In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a table of contents to a Word. So to get us through this exercise, I have random text here with some headings, as you can see. Control V. So this is heading 1, and this one is heading 2. All you need to do is you need to type your heading, and then you click on heading 1 if that is the first level of headings. Then the subheading, you highlight it and click heading 2 as our subheading. Sub meaning it's a heading below the main heading. So once you have done that, you go in, you have the approach, and the approach is the main heading. As you can see, it's bigger than the subheading, which is summary approach. You have another subheading, and the moment you highlight it, you can see heading 2 here is highlighted. So once you have done that, this is the main heading. So you need to go through your document and ensure that the main heading is highlighted by heading 1, is formatted as heading 1, and the subheading is formatted as heading 2. After you have done that, now you need to go at the beginning or the position where you want to place your table of contents. I want to place it right here on the first page. What I will do is I go to references, move to the left. Right there, you'll see table of contents. You right click on that, and you can click on any of these like so. And right there, you can see a table of contents automatically generated and given numbers. You can format or change the way it looks like, assuming you don't want the numbers or you want to change these dotted lines. All you have to do, go back to reference, table of contents, move right down here. There is customize table of contents. Right there, click on that, and assuming I want to show only the heading 1 and I don't want to show the subheadings, there are options here. Right down here, we have show levels 2. If I say level 2, it means it's gonna show the main heading and the subheading. However, if I change it to 1, it's going only to show the main heading. So I've changed it to 1, and in the preview, you can see it's only showing heading 1. So let's click OK. It asks you, do you want to replace the selected table of contents? Yes, I do. And there you go. You get only the main headings as shown above. If at all you want to navigate to a particular page, when you hover over, you see control click. When you control click, it will take you exactly to that page. So that is a way you can easily navigate between pages. You can also say, I don't want these dotted lines. Again, go back to references, table of contents, customize contents, table of contents. Now right here we have show page numbers. It is showing 1. So if I do that, the 1 disappears. If I said okay, the page numbers will go off. Though this is not, I don't know why you wouldn't want to show the page numbers, but then align, right align page numbers. So there are options there. Can I right align page numbers? Let's see how this looks like. Do you want to replace? This is how it looks like. And lastly, if you want to remove the page of contents, go to references, move to the right, table of contents, then go down, you'll see remove table of contents. Just click there and it goes away. Hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe if you have not, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.